I love it when I come across a product that has been given into the hands of some awesome engineers, and they've been given really like a really simple task, but then they have taken it all the way, you know, to there, wherever that is. And this one over here is one of those products. This is the Video Doorbell X3x360, and it packs quite a lot of features, so let me tell you about them. So first of all, what's inside the box? You've got the video doorbell, you have got the actual bell that makes noise inside your house, and then you've got your mounting bracket, your angle mounting bracket, few screws, you've got a screw template, so if you want to screw it inside to like a masonry or whatever, you can use these to make holes and then do that. You've got your screws for your plugs, you've got a little sticker, ring the bell, and then you've got this safety release kind of opening things. If you want to take your doorbell off, you're going to need one of these. So here's some of the features that I was amazed by, right? First of all, the setup of this is so simple. Like once you open the quick installation guide inside there and go to the app, it shows you exactly what to do, and I set it up like within few minutes. And screwing it actually onto your door or getting that sorted is so simple as well. Second of all, everything is very high quality. I love like the feel of things. It doesn't feel cheap, it feels awesome. All the templates and all the mounting brackets and like little stickers and everything is just top notch, top end, so definitely caught my eye. But here's the biggest feature of this, right? This is not just a video doorbell, but this is also an actual security camera, because it's got like a sensor inside there, like a radar sensor that detects like the movement and can actually make algorithms and face recognition and all these things to make sure that you're, first of all, not getting false alarm, you're getting the right alarm. You can set how far it detects, so like what is the actual range that it's gonna start to detect the movement, and set some privacy zones. For example, if you don't want it to like pick up any of the neighbors' windows or some of that parts, then you can literally just block them off by a black screen. That's it. The actual camera over here is 5 megapixels, which actually for security camera and things like that is well enough. Now with devices like this, often the biggest problem is that you don't have a local storage, or you have to subscribe to some kind of cloud storage. In this case over here with this 360, you actually have the option of both. It comes with a local storage of 8 gigabytes, which is plenty to store like up to 120 days or something for your storage. But if you want to add like a cloud storage as well, you can just opt into there, and then you can basically get unlimited storage if you want to. And you might be thinking, hey, yo, I don't actually have a doorbell already set somewhere. I don't have the wires already there. So how do I actually get this to work? And this is the coolest thing. There's multiple ways how you can charge this thing. So if we look at in the back of this actual device over here, you can see 2 little screw holes over here. And these are the cables, like, you know, live and neutral, where you would get the actual power in from your old cable. So if you have an old like a doorbell somewhere, you can actually charge this and boom, that's it. You don't need to worry about anything at all. But if I pop this port up over here, then you can see there's a USB-C port, and you can just easily remove your doorbell, bring it inside and start charging it through any of the USB like chargers you have, your phone's charger, put it in there, boom, charge it up, and then you can have battery from 2 to 6 months. So basically you might be able to just charge this thing twice a year. It depends how many visitors you've got, but you know, that's pretty awesome battery power. That's not just it. If you look on the bottom of the device over here, you've got like a few contacts over here, and you can buy this extra little battery pack. And then what you can do with this battery pack is actually just click it in and start charging this like while it's still working. Go outside and then, as simple as clicking it in, and this video bell now starts charging. And as you can see, it's engineered already like this, that this battery pack is a little bit thicker. So if you count this back plate for the actual video doorbell, then they are literally the same size, and there's no like sagging or lagging or anything. And it looks like this is just one piece of tech. And then once it's charged, you can literally take the battery back inside. Don't even need to move this. Don't need to like start figuring out on the bottom how to remove this from your door. charge this battery back up, and then charge it back up after 6 months or so. Another thing I do want to mention, a little tip from me, is that if you do charge these up, I'd recommend you do it during the day, because this battery pack is quite easily removable. So this is like something that you might lose if someone wants to be a bit cheeky and, you know, steal this battery back, but they really need to have this exact same thing in order to make use of this battery back, otherwise this is useless for them. And if you're wondering, like, can someone like steal this away from you, or like how does this even work? Because if I screw it in, can someone just come and grab this? Well, actually that's not the truth. Once the backplate is on, you can't get this off unless you really break it and then break the thing. But on the bottom over here there is this tiny little thing, like a little hole, and that's why you need this little thing. You just press it in there, and then now you can remove this back plate. If you have like a wooden surface or some kind of surface, you can literally just peel this off and then stick it on straight over there, and then you can see like where your screw holes all are, and you don't have to like fiddle around with this, like, oh, is this gonna be straight? Clever little addition as well. To say a few more words about the mounting is, if you want to mount this on the side of your door, not exactly in front of your door, and want this to point like kind of a little bit away, then you can use this like kind of angle bracket over here, and then if you look over here now suddenly your doorbell is not pointing directly but to one side. So it doesn't matter which side of the door you're going to mount it, this side or that side, you can still mount it whichever way you want. And last little thing, which is for granted, is that it has night vision. So whether it's daytime or nighttime, the vision actually for this camera is pretty good. So you can actually detect like what's going on outside. So I like that. Now, I've been fiddling around a little bit with the app and how it works, and one of the biggest things I was worried about was that what if like I press the button and it takes so long to send the notification to the cloud and then come back to the app on the phone, that by the time I get the notification, it's like irrelevant, the notification, when someone presses the button. I was super impressed by the actual notification speed of anything it detects. Or when you press the button, boom, within 1 second, I'm getting instantly the notification on the phone, like ringing, like someone's ringing on your phone, and I can answer it, I can see the video, I can talk back to them. I am very, very impressed. And also the notification gets sent to this guy or this device over there, so you can just plug this one anywhere in your house, or where you want this to be, somewhere in the central, so you can hear it anywhere kind of thing, or next to the door, or wherever you want. And then this will like also alarm people inside the house when there's a, you know, someone's actually pressing the doorbell. The cool thing I found was that if you want to share the doorbell notifications or this app with someone so that someone can actually speak back as well, not just you, you can just ask someone like your wife or your family member to create an account on the app as well, and then you go on the app and then share all that data with them as well, and then they can get the notification as well. So for example, if I'm not home, my wife can still, you know, look at, oh, someone's at the door, or talk back to them, see what's happening, answer the phone, or say, leave the package there, I'll come and get it, whatever, things like that. So that's super, super nice. You can adjust like which alarms or which notifications you're gonna get over there. So the app works brilliantly. The English is spot on, so it's not some kind of weird English. Often what happens is like some kind of Chinese product that you're like, whoa, what is this English? The app doesn't work. App works brilliantly. Honestly, I don't have anything bad to say. I'm really trying to, but I don't know. Maybe it's too big. Maybe that's the only thing. But I guess I'd rather have it bigger, so it's obvious for people to press it. And second of all, bigger means bigger battery inside, which means I'll less have to worry about like, oh, I need to charge this somewhere, and that's that. Also, it's IP66 rated, you know, weather resistant, so that's pretty cool. So my friends, if you want to learn more about this product or the latest pricing, check out the link in the description below and you'll find it there. Likes if you enjoyed it, subs if you want to see more, and I will see you in the next one. Thanks guys, bye bye. Just a little disclosure time for the viewers of this channel. 360 sent me this product to keep, and they're also paying me to make this video. So take this not as a review, but just like an overview of the product. But I did share still some of my own feelings with you, and I'm quite impressed with this product myself. I'm very much liking how it works. I can't find anything bad about it, so I don't know. Take this with a pinch of salt, okay?